Now we will discuss the IPC nomenclature of some important class of organic compounds. It is starting from alkane to other class of organic compounds. So we know IPC nomenclature, it has mainly two parts, prefix and suffix. Prefix indicates that is number of carbon atom, that is called word root. Prefix, number of carbon atom, that is word root. Then suffix indicates the functional groups. So let us start from alkane, first member of organic compound, alkane. You see, alkane general formula is CN S2N plus 2, already know this one, and suffix is AN. So if you start from, that is CH4, that is common name is your same, methane, and IPC name is methane, same. Here indicate first. What indicates? Meth indicates one carbon, and R it is satisfying the formula of alkane, so suffix is An. That's why it is methane. Like this, C3H8, that is propane, and this is also same, propane. All having functional, that is your suffix is Ane. Ane and the prefix, this is your prefix or word root, meth, prop, like this. So like this you can practice more. Alkane nomenclature. Then alkyl group. This is the first member, this is the second. Alkyl group. Alkyl group general formula is CN S2N plus 1. That means one hydrogen is less. So same, that is name is alkyl, it is called same as alkyl. Suppose CH3, that is methyl. C2H5, ethyl, it is very important for your practice. And C3H7, that is propyl. But C3H7 can be written as also in this form, that CH3, CH. It has the same number of carbon and same number of hydrogen, C3H7, but it is called as isopropyl. It is called isopropyls. Okay. Then C4H10, this is called as butyl. But butyl can be written as in this way, CH3, like this. This group is called tertiary butyl. This group is called tertiary butyl because it is branching. It is straight chain, this is branching, it is straight chain. It is also called as N-butyl or normal butyl, N-propyl, isopropyl, tertiary butyl. Okay? It is also called as, it is also written as like this. This is called as same 4 carbon butyl, but it is called as that secondary butyl. Secondary butyl. You have to remember the formula and the name, secondary butyl. Similarly, if you write C5H and the butyl also, it is also can be written as another form, C5H12, and it is called pentyl. So this C4H9, so I am not written change, I will not change this one. C4H9 and C4H9. Here C5H11, one hydrogen less, C5H11, that is pentyl, and pentyl also can be written as in this way. This is called neopentyl. Neopentyl. This is some generally it is called pentyl, but it is called neopentyl. Five carbon, but the structure is not same. It is straight chain. It is branch chain. So these are the very important alkyl group and their common name: isopropyl, tertiary butyl, secondary butyl, neopentyl. And some important other alkyl group you have to remember. This is called, it is not alkyl group, but it is used as in place of other alkyl group. This is called vinyl. This name is vinyl. This is called allyl. This group is called allyl group. This is your vinyl group and this is your alkyl group. Allyl groups. Vinyl group, allyl group. Okay? Then this group C6 has 5 cyclic structure. This is called phenyl. It is also written as like this, phenyl group. Like this short form, this is your phenyl. And C6H5CH2, this group combine both. This is called benzyl. This group is called benzyl. Phenyl, benzyl, vinyl, allyl. These are very important alkyl group used attached to the different carbon atoms in the different class of organic compounds. So this is about alkane and alkyne. Then third one, that is very important, that is alkyl. Alkene general formula is CnH2n. So suppose start from C4, then H8, name is butene. Here bute is your prefix and alkene suffix is ene, already we discussed. So this is prefix plus suffix. So prefix is bute and suffix is ene, this is butene, like this. C5H10, that is pentene. You can draw the structures. Butene also different types of butene. Pentene also different types of pentene. It depends upon the position of double bond. We will discuss later. Okay, this is regarding alkene. But this is IPC name. But alkene has also common name. Common name of alkene also you have to practice this one. C2H4, that is called ethylene. Ethylene. C3H6. Propylene, C4H8, butylene. So this is written in form of lene, L-E-N-E. This is the common name of alkene. Okay. Then come to alkyne. Alkyne general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Alkane CnH2n plus 2. Then alkyne is CnH2n plus 1. Then you remove another hydrogen, that is CnH2n. If you compare alkane and alkene, 2 hydrogen less. Then alkyne again 4 hydrogen less. So nominal formula is suppose C2H2, that is ethylene, 2 carbon YNE, eth plus YNE, ethylene. And its common name is acetylene. Acetylene, you have to remember, acetylene structure is CH triple bond CH. Acetylene. This type of hydrocarbon is called acetylene. Let it be C3H4. C3H4. Okay. Then C3H4, it is called propyne. Like this. Okay. So alkene, alkyne, if you increase the carbon atom, then it is butyne, pentyne, like this. Just simply we are discussing the Stratton compound, not a branch. Then alcohol. Regarding alcohol. Alcohol general formula is ROH. This also remember this one. Alkyl group general it is also called as R. R is means alkyl group, symbol of R. Different types of R is there, but generally it is called R. So alcohol, that is ROH, this is ROH, alcohol, and alcohol are called as, name is alkanol. It is called as alkanol. So general formula is always suffix is all like this. For example, CH3OH, R is CH3OH. It is common name is methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol, common name. Common name means your face. That means that is visible. The formula which is visible, that will be the common name. Methyl OH means alcohol, methyl alcohol. But your IUPAC name is alkanol. It is called alkanol. So one carbon, methanol. Suppose C2H5OH. This is ethyl alcohol. And this is ethanol. But if you write the branch and suppose like this, CH3, C2H5, CHOH, what is the common name? But IUPAC name we will discuss later. The R is a branch compound, so we will follow the rules of the IUPAC nomenclature. So now we will discuss some important group and its common name. R it is called secondary butyl, already written, secondary butyl group. So this name is secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol, because the group is secondary group. Secondary, tertiary butyl, neopentyl, and so many groups we discuss. So these are the nomenclature of alcohol, common name and IUPAC name. Okay, you complete this one, then we will start the next group, carboxylic acid. General formula is RCOOH. Here R may be H or R may be any alkyl group. These are the conditions you have to remember. R may be H. First R may be H. And carboxylic acid functional, that is a suffix is oic acid. It is called as, name is, what is the name of carboxylic acid? Alkanoic acid. Alkanoic acid. Alkanoic acid. So R may be H, so first number is HCOOH, called as formic acid. Common name, formic acid. Common name is formic acid. You know, very important acid secreted by that insects. So formic acid, but as it is called alkanoic acid, IUPAC name, so it is one carbon, methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Okay, methanoic acid. So CH3COOH, this is acetic acid. Acetic acid, and as it has two carbon, ethanoic acid. Okay, like this. So 3 carbon H7 COH, that is propionic acid. Propionic acid. Then this is propanoic acid. Acid. C3 C4 H9 COH. This is called, as it has, it is C2H5. C2H5. Because C2H5 having total is 3, propionic acid, propanic acid. C3H7 COH, that now it will become 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 means butyric acid. Butyric acid, and it is called, as it has butyric acid, is called butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. And C4H9COH, that is now total how many? 5 carbon, that is called valeric acid, common name. Valeric acid. Valeric acid. And valeric acid, it is called pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. So you have to remember these are some common name and IPC name of carboxylic acid, RCOH. Okay, formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid, butyric acid, and valeric acid. This is a valeric acid. You have to practice. Then aldehyde. Aldehyde general formula is RCHO. Here the group is CHO, and here condition is same. R may be H or R may be R. R may be H or R may be what? And here it is called alkanal name. Every class has some specific IPC name, alkanal. So if you start HCHO, this is called formaldehyde. And IPC name is methanol. Methanol, because 1 carbon, so it is methanol. CH3, you start from R, CH3, that is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, this is how many carbon? 2 carbon, methanol. C2H5CHO, that's 3 carbon, propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Aldehyde, propionaldehyde. Here 3 carbon, propanal. So like this different aldehydes, their common name and UPAC name. You can also practice in this way. The name is alkanal. Okay, then ketone. Ketone general formula is R2CO. Here R always equal to R. R is always R. R cannot be H. If R will be H, it will be again aldehyde. So you have to remember this thing. And the name is ketone generally called as alkanone. Suffix is ONE. Already we have discussed in previous lessons. Name is alkanone. First start here taking R. First R is CH3, CO, CH3, RCOR. It is generalized, or R2CO. It is called acetone. Common name is acetone or dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone. Because 2-methyl. So common name is just that formula, the structure visible. You can write the name. 2-methyl is dimethyl ketone, keto group ketone, like this. But IUPAC name will be R, which has 3 carbon, ONE, alkanone means propanone, like this. C2H5COCH3, its common name is ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. This is your common name. But IUPAC name is how many carbon? 1, 2 and 2, 4. 4 means butanone. Butanone. So like this. So these are the what? Some important ketones. There are ketones are common name and IUPAC name. Then aldehyde ketones, carboxylic acids. Then acid derivatives. Haloalkane also write better. Haloalkane. If write haloalkane generally RX. It is called RX. So name is same, just like haloalkane. Name is same. Name is haloalkane. No change. Suppose R, CH3Cl, C2H5Br, C3H7I, like this. You can write. These are the some haloalkane. Your common name is face. That is look visible. The part is visible. That is called your common name. Methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. Here ethyl C2H5, ethyl bromide. Here C3H7 propyl, propyl iodide. This is the common name. But IUPAC name is haloalkane, chloromethane, chloromethane, and this is bromoethane, bromomethane. One word. This is iodo. 3 carbon means propane. So this is the haloalkane nomenclature. Okay. But if you write a branch chain common, for example, CH3, CHBr. So this is haloalkane, but it is not straight chain. This is a branch chain. Branch chain means common name. I am taking common name. Common name is isopropyl. Isopropyl. As is bromine, bromide. Isopropyl. So it depends upon the group. Alkyl group already discussed in types of alkyl group. Then this is about haloalkane. Then acid derivative ester. Ester general formula is RCOOR dash. RCOOR dash. Ester already called as alkanoid. And your suffix is, what is the suffix? Suffix is oit, OATE, already discussed suffix. Suffix is oit and name is alkanoid. Alkyl means which alkyl? Right side. Right side, that is R gas. This R gas naming is alkyl. Then remaining number of carbon atom, alkanoid. Okay, you start, and here very important rule is R is maybe H or R may be R, but R dash always R and R dash cannot be H. If R dash will be H, again it will be acid. It becomes acid, parent acid. So R dash cannot be H. Right side R cannot be H. So what you can start from this? Suppose H, CO, CH3, H, CO, C2, H5, CH3, COO, CH3. Like this, so many compounds possible. What is the common name? As we start from right side R, so it is methyl. methyl, here formic acid, formate, methyl formate. Then what is the common name? Ethyl, ethyl formate. This is the common name. Here it is methyl. Methyl how many carbon? 2 carbon means acetic acid, acetate. This is the common name. But IUPAC name of ester will be alkyl alkanoate. First you see what is the name? Here alkyl is methyl. Then how many carbon? 1 carbon left. That is ethanoate. Ethanoate. ATE. Come to second. Here it is ethyl. Ethyl. Then how many carbon? 1 carbon. So methanoate. Okay? So you have to practice, you have to follow the rules. This one you will start from right side, methyl. Methyl. Then how many carbon? 2 carbon. Ethanoate. Like this. So common name, these are the common name, and this is your IUPAC name. So you have to follow the rules. In the next class, remaining class of organic compound we will discuss. Okay, you practice this one. Writing practice is very important. Okay, thank you.